Professor Bumbleweed here. Everyone asks, can humans live on Mars? Or is it just a red postcard with murder weather? In a few minutes, this quick tour stays fun and fact-packed, without pretending Mars feels cozy today. Mars looks dramatic, but the atmosphere acts like a decorative scarf. Air pressure stays tiny, oxygen stays scarce, and exposed humans last about as long as a smartphone in a bathtub. So, living starts with sealed habitats and suits. Mars has a day close to Earth's, so your sleep stays smugly familiar. Then the temperature drops hard, like the planet forgets heating exists. Add dust storms that cover continents, and nice weather becomes a rare collectible. Even before Mars life, space travel eats months and supplies. Outside Earth's magnetic protection, radiation becomes an invisible bully. So the ride needs shielding, careful planning, and routines, because arriving exhausted and irradiated makes the new home vibe less inspiring. Landing on Mars looks like controlled panic. The air is too thin for easy parachutes, yet thick enough to burn you on entry. Also, Earth to Mars signals lag, so crews on Earth watch late news while the lander solves problems alone. Mars does have air, just not the kind that keeps you conscious. Machines pull in carbon dioxide and push out oxygen. Moxie demonstrates the chemistry. For actual living, the same idea repeats at larger scale, with backups, filters, and constant power. Water on Mars exists mostly as ice, not as a convenient faucet. Mining, melting, and cleaning become daily chores. Water recycling matters too. Food also needs planning, hydroponics, stored meals, and soil chemistry that avoids nasty surprises like perchlorates. Mars surface exposure adds radiation risk. Engineers respond by stacking mass between people and particles. Water, supplies, and thick materials. Even room layout matters. Sleeping areas sit deeper inside. On Mars, interior design is literally medical planning. Mars gravity is about a third of Earth's, so bodies change. Muscles and bones need constant exercise, even on a planet. Then there's isolation. Same rooms, same people, same view. A Mars base needs mental health planning, not just bolts. Habitats on Mars work like submarines, sealed, pressurized, and constantly monitored. Dust makes solar power annoying, so energy storage and alternative power sources matter. Nuclear systems like kilopower stay attractive because they keep producing power when skies look ugly. So, can humans live on Mars? Yes, inside engineered habitats with oxygen production, water recycling, food systems, radiation shielding, and serious power. No, outside casually like a weekend campsite. Mars living is possible, but it stays expensive and demanding. If this Mars tour feels interesting, show it with a like. That little click tells the channel which topics earn more deep dives and which ones deserve a quiet trip back into the airlock. Thanks for hanging out with me. Got a topic you want explained next? Drop it in the comments. Otherwise, the animators stare at a blank timeline, and I stand here looking mysterious for no reason. Give me something weird and scientific. See you next time.